Hello everyone. In the last lesson we have learned how to say gracias in different ways, in formal also and in informal also. Claire, and today we are going to learn some common greetings used in Spanish. Let's learn. The most common word we use is hi, hello, which means hola. Hi, hello, which means hola. Second is good morning. Good morning. In Spanish we say buenos dias. Buenos dias. And during the day or in afternoon we say good afternoon, and in Spanish we say buenos tardes. Buenos tardes. And in the evening or night, depending on the situation, whether it is night going on and you have to greet someone before going to bed, or in the evening, the same word is used, that is good evening. And in Spanish we say buenos noches. Buenos noches. Buenos noches. Claire, so today we have learned hola, good morning, buenos dias, good afternoon, buenos tardes, and good evening, buenos noches. So, I'm waiting for you all to join my next class. Adios, take care.